teaches English.
Just like we can use the present perfect to talk about how long an action has taken. I have lived here for 60 years. Not true. We can use the future perfect tense to talk about how long an action has happened in the future. Once we get to that point in the future, using that future time word. For example, I have lived in Colorado for 14 months. By this time next month, I will have lived in Colorado for 15 months. You'll notice that I use for in both of these examples, just like we normally do. When we're talking about how long, it's common to use for. Now with the future perfect tense, we could use since, but it would be kind of weird because I have lived in Colorado since April of 2020. By this time next month, I will have lived in Colorado since April of 2020. Since refers to a starting time, it's not going to change in the future, so there's no reason that we would ever use since with the future perfect. You could do it, it's not grammatically incorrect, but it doesn't really make any sense. We can also use the future perfect tense with a future time word to say that a certain action will finish before that time. It doesn't specify when the action will finish, but we know it will finish before that time. For example, by the time I finish filming this, I will have drunk all my water. That's a promise. By this time next week, I will have shaved my head. I'm serious. My hair is falling out. I'm going bald. I need to accept it. So by this time next week, I will have shaved my head. You'll see. You'll see in some upcoming videos. You'll notice in both of these examples, I used the word by. It's very common to use by with the future perfect tense when we're talking about something that will be finished by a certain time. And those are the two main ways we use the future perfect tense to talk about how long an action will have continued up until a certain point, and to give a deadline for when something will be finished without specifying when it will be finished. Now, if any of this seemed a little bit too advanced for you, make sure to watch my videos on the present perfect and the past perfect first. Watching those videos will give you a foundation in perfect tenses, and it'll help you to better understand the future perfect tense uses that I demonstrated today. As always, I want to thank you for learning with me. I hope you know you're doing a stupendous job, and I hope you know I believe in you. I'll see you soon. I forgot about my promise. All right, I won't let you down. What did I tell you? I'm a champion.